Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today's video is about showing you an update on Mini Poi, and we have some exciting new progress to report. We had some heavy equipment come in and we moved dirt. And we are going to get the property leveled and made some room so that at least vehicles could get in here and turn around and leave. And it would be a great place to, or it's a much better place to pull in and park and easier to access. So that's very exciting. There's a little bit more work to do tomorrow, but I'll show you close up what we had done. This is the back side of the property, and they've moved the dirt kind of up against the rocks a little bit and scooped out a lot of this area that had been washed down over decades. It's been 60 years since this property was first graded, so there's been a lot of erosion to contend with. So we backed that out, backed the hill up behind the property. There, scooped that all out so there's room to move and drive through. Here's the destroyed building. And then there's the road. Very, very exciting. I will be back tomorrow to show a little bit more work. But this is really, this is good progress. Here's how the dirt got changed down the embankment. Can't wait to talk to the operator tomorrow and see how the drainage is going to go. Hey, look, oh, look at that. That's awesome. Finally, looks like a real little plot of land now. Hooray. Oh my gosh, check out this Diet 7-Up can from a million years ago. It's supposed to have been dug up. It's got an old peel top, I guess, in it. Oh, wow. I wonder how old that is. If anybody knows, leave me a comment. I'd love to know how old this thing is.